All summer I've been saving up all my scraps and offcuts of wood. I've been keeping them because my mum has a wood burning stove. She has summoned me over because there's lots of jobs for me to do. So I can get this all chopped up and take it over. So I'm not just here to deliver kindling, I'm dog sitting. Mabel! Good girl. What she is half Border Terrier and half Jack Russell. But I think she's more half Doberman and Velociraptor. My mum's been at the house for about 3.5 years now, and over that time I've done a lot of projects for her. I guess I'm that good a son. Come on you. So one of the things I built a couple of years ago was a log store. Someone really likes the kindling. Probably the biggest project I did here was the garden room. In here is probably the scruffiest room, and that is why I built some storage for it. I made this boot bench with some storage underneath for all your shoes and boots, but also you can sit on it to put them on, and the dog loves jumping up on it to have a lead put on. I missed a couple of projects walking in here. I have an old ladder. I made this thing for plant pots, and very important with the dog walks, a welly boot rack. I forget how much I've done in this house over the years. Straight away walking in, I forgot about it. Shaker style coat hook. Right, did you come in, dog? Something I definitely remember making though was boxing in the fuse board and the consumer unit. It made it look a lot neater in here. Into the dining room, there's a few bits in here I've done. First, I made this wine and placemats rack just out of some pallet wood. It just filled this little space nicely. Another thing I did, oh, you're helping, was this chaise lounge they picked up at auction, and the leg was snapped off, so I made a new one for it. I might have to sit here for a bit before I continue the tour. The kitchen contains some of my biggest projects and some of my smallest. Originally it would have had a fireplace in here, so I built this veg rack to go in here, and more importantly, booze store. Everywhere I look in this room there seems to be something else I've made. Last room downstairs is the living room, so I did quite a few things in here. I made this mobile base for the TV and some matching bookshelves out of oak. The last time I did any filming here though, I think I scraped down this table and refinished it with shellac. First time I'd used shellac, and it's held up well, but I have insisted on the use of coasters ever since. Of course, this room is also where the wood burner is and what all the kindling is for. Upstairs we've just got a couple of more things. I made a couple of these blanket chests that just sit on the landing, so you can fill them with blankets and other junk, and you can actually sit on them. I think they're very useful for putting washing away on as well. And then, last thing, the bedroom I'm staying in. Now, I don't think there's actually anything I made in here, but strategically there's been placed a chair from the kitchen. That cushion is not for you. It's got a split in it, so I think that is the next job on my list. This has a really clean split on it, so what I think I can do is open it up. I bought some glue and clamps, so just get some glue in and clamp it back up. What I've got left to do then is wait for that to dry. So we're going to sit by the fire, aren't we, and drink tea. Yes, we are. I ended up leaving this overnight to set up because Mabel and I got distracted by the fire, and there might have been a bit of mulled cider involved. Let's see how good my repair is. If I end up on the floor, it's a failure. No, that seems all right. In fact, the back might need a bit of sorting out. She didn't tell me about that. So after they've been in this house 3.5 years, I have done so many projects here. A lot for the house, a lot I've just done in the workshop, and they've just ended up here. And you'd think they'd be done, but I think they have a lot more jobs for me. So I think you're going to see a lot more of things for this house in the future. Parents, they keep you busy. So thanks for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.